Hello, fellow travelers. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting your journey, the thrill of discovering new places is universal. We all love to explore new places, experience different cultures, and create unforgettable memories. The sights, sounds, and flavors of a new destination can be exhilarating, but as we seek adventure, it's crucial to remember the impact our travels have on the environment and communities we visit. The beauty we enjoy today must be preserved for future generations. That's where responsible tourism comes in. It's not just a trend, but a necessary approach to ensure that our adventures don't harm the places we love. It's about making mindful choices that minimize our footprint and contribute positively to the destinations we cherish. Simple actions like using reusable water bottles can significantly reduce waste. The good news is that even small changes in our travel habits can make a big difference. From packing reusable items to supporting local businesses, these choices help sustain local economies and reduce environmental impact. Every step towards sustainable travel counts. Enjoying nature responsibly ensures that these beautiful landscapes remain pristine. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the world with respect and care. By being conscious travelers, we can make a positive impact and keep the spirit of adventure alive for everyone.
Packing light is not just about avoiding extra baggage fees, it's also an eco-friendly choice. The heavier the plane, the more fuel it consumes. So pack only what you need, leaving behind unnecessary items. Swap single-use plastics for reusable alternatives. Pack a refillable water bottle, a reusable coffee cup, and a set of bamboo cutlery. You'll reduce waste and minimize your impact on the environment. Choose eco-friendly toiletries. Look for biodegradable soaps, shampoos, and conditioners packaged in sustainable materials. Many hotels now offer refillable dispensers, further reducing plastic waste.
Embrace local experiences. Instead of opting for large chain restaurants, dine at local eateries and cafes. You'll savor authentic flavors and support the local economy. Be mindful of wildlife interactions. Observe animals from a distance and avoid participating in activities that exploit or harm them. Remember, we are guests in their natural habitat. Respect cultural differences. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites, ask permission before taking photos of locals, and learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A little effort goes a long way in showing respect.
Section 4. Tread lightly. Avoiding common travel mistakes. Traveling is an enriching experience, but it's important to be mindful of our impact on the environment and local communities. Avoid buying souvenirs made from endangered species. These items may seem unique, but they contribute to the decline of precious wildlife. Items like ivory, tortoise shells, or coral jewelry contribute to the illegal wildlife trade. This trade not only harms animals, but also disrupts ecosystems. Opt for sustainable and ethical souvenirs instead. Support local artisans who use eco-friendly materials. Minimize your water and energy consumption. Simple actions can make a big difference. Reuse towels, turn off lights when leaving your hotel room, and take shorter showers. These habits help conserve resources. These small actions can significantly reduce your environmental impact. Every little bit helps in preserving our planet. Say no to plastic straws and bags. Single-use plastics are a major pollutant. Carry a reusable bag for shopping and politely decline plastic straws when ordering drinks. This simple switch can reduce waste. These single-use plastics end up polluting our oceans and harming marine life. By making conscious choices, we can protect our environment for future generations.
Section 5. Real-world impact. Small changes, big results. Imagine millions of travelers worldwide adopting these eco-friendly habits. The collective impact would be astounding. We could significantly reduce plastic waste, conserve water and energy, and support local communities in a more meaningful way. Consider the positive ripple effect. When we travel responsibly, we inspire others, locals and fellow travelers alike, to do the same. Our actions can create a wave of change, promoting a more sustainable future for tourism.
Section 6. Your journey to sustainable travel starts now. Every journey, no matter how big or small, provides an opportunity to make a difference. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or a serene countryside, your choices matter. By adopting these simple do's and don'ts, we can all become more responsible travelers. Use reusable water bottles, avoid single-use plastics, and support local businesses. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making conscious choices that benefit the planet and its people. Small actions like choosing eco-friendly products can have a big impact. Let's explore the world with open hearts and mindful actions, leaving a positive legacy wherever we go. Volunteering in local community projects can enrich your travel experience and help others. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and join the movement towards sustainable travel. Include eco-friendly essentials in your packing list to minimize your footprint. The journey starts with you. Every step you take can lead to a more sustainable future for our planet.